Hey guys, Choppers01 here. Well, I got some foam. I got this as an off cut. This is from the Australian Army. Use this stuff in their Jeeps and in their trucks and stuff. It's a memory foam, high density memory foam. So I sat on it in the shop. It's quite comfortable actually. So that'll do me for a cover. So I'll get that covered onto there. I've got the wheels mocked up a little bit. I have a food tray that I'm going to modify to fit on the front there. I have a light that I'm going to get a bit of PVC pipe and I'll bring it up the top there so I can hang over and I can see what I'm doing. I made the balls up. I've got to cut another axle. This axle here I cut the first time's too short, but it makes a really great rod holder. So I'll mount that on the side of there and I'll have a rod holder. So that's pretty cool. I've still got to sand those back, but I have a belt for my sander now, so I can do that. I still haven't made a idea of what I'm going to use for a handle yet, but we'll get around to that. But that's pretty much an update, guys. Plus, I blew the clutch up in my four-wheel drive, so I've been stuck on the road for a couple of hours, so I haven't been able to come home and do anything. But anyway, such is life. Alright guys, that's it from me. Like, comment, subscribe, and be kind to your mates. Bye for now.